Hello, I'm introducing my new fan that I ordered because I needed one on top of my cabinet where I have my TV because being that it's so high, I need something that I can use, especially with a control, which is fabulous. And this is the way it works. I'm going to set it on to the first level. It has 3 speed. And as you can hear, all you could hear is just the impact of the wind pushing from the fan. This is the second speed, and not much from the first. And this is the third one. All right, got a little bit stronger sound, but it's really not bad. And now I will use the turbo boost, which is the strongest. This makes it 4. But it's really not annoying sound. It's pretty strong. A lot of air. Now, if you want to set it on quiet mode, if you want everything to be really, really quiet, put now the silent night. And you don't hear anything, and the fan is still on. You hear absolutely nothing. The fan is a bit pricey, but trust me, it's worth it. Order it just from Walmart. I received it today. Enjoy.